भाई क्या कर रहा है वो, एकदम ही रॉन्ग साइड चला रहा था वो। तो कैब वाली गाड़ी है, अलग ही है भाई। सो hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am riding my friend's Royal Enfield Classic 500. I will just stop and like give you, अरे बाप रे क्या पुलिस वाले है क्या, आजो आजो। अच्छा ओके, नहीं पीछे है। कुछ ना कुछ होते ही जा रहा है भाई, कुछ तो ही चल रहा है इधर उधर। मैं भाई ये गाड़ी का प्रोज एंड कॉन्स वीडियो बनाने निकला था। ये तो भाई डेली ऑब्जर्वेशन ही बन जाएगा लग रहा। टू मच एक्टिविटी भाई। एंड अभी करेंटली टाइम हो रहा है, लेट मी जस्ट सी, 12:51। तो ऑलमोस्ट 1 बज रहे हैं रात के और इतनी ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी है फुटाला पे। आई वाज थिंकिंग कि वहाँ पे रोक के एक क्विक वॉक अराउंड दूंगा आप लोगों को, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली पुलिस है वहाँ पे जो घूम रही है। इवन दो नथिंग, आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, बट स्टिल अगर वो चाहते नहीं है कोई जनरल पब्लिक वहाँ पे हो ये टाइम पे, तो फिर वी विल रिस्पेक्ट दैट। तो अभी एक जगह ढूंढता है जहाँ पे मैं आपको इसका एक क्विक वॉक अराउंड दे सकूँ शांति से। द थंब इज अमेजिंग भाई ऑन दिस बाइक, वाह, अलग ही फील दे देती है। ओके या, दिस लुक्स लाइक अ गुड इनफ स्पॉट फॉर मी। I'll just give you a quick walk around of this motorcycle. So this is a Royal Enfield Classic 500 in stealth black color, and this is from 2018. Just don't mind the small tear on the seat, but yeah, this looks absolutely beautiful and absolutely retro. I actually love the color, that is the stealth black. This is like one of my favorite colors on a motorcycle, definitely. So आज के वीडियो में मैं ये गाड़ी को रिव्यू करूँगा, in which I will tell you the pros and cons of this motorcycle from 2018. And then if you are planning to like buy a used motorcycle from the used market, definitely it will help you make your decision, and I hope this video helps you in some way. So yeah, let's go. Oh भाई, मोर क्या ही तो आवाज़ कर रही है। So yeah, I will start by talking about the pros first. The first pro is definitely the looks. I mean, it is such a beautiful retro looking motorcycle. किसको नहीं पसंद है रॉयल एनफील्ड, सबको पता है कि यानी कैसी गाड़ी है, कितनी प्यारी है। Definitely the looks are something that are very unique, and this is what, whenever we were kids and we were asked to draw a motorcycle, the first image that comes to our which comes to our mind is a Royal Enfield motorcycle. Such a iconic and good looking motorcycle this is. The next pro that I'm going to talk about is the comfortability factor of this motorcycle. I mean, it is such a comfortable bike. इसमें यानी एक तो सिटिंग पोस्चर अपराइट है, उसके बाद यानी गाड़ी का जो एक्चुअल वेट है यानी उसमें पता नहीं चलता है, एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर राइडिंग इन डिसेंट स्पीड्स गाड़ी का वेट नहीं पता चलता है, मनूवर काफ़ी अच्छे से हो जाती है, कोई उसमें इशू नहीं होता है। द नेक्स्ट प्रो डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी इट्स टॉर्क। आई मीन मैं सबसे हाईएस्ट गियर पे हूँ, एंड यू कैन द स्पीड इज़ अराउंड 50, and if I now just give it the acceleration, you can see how quickly it picks up. The torque is so good, and which makes it obviously a very good choice in the hills. Most of the people that we have seen going to Ladakh, they rent out Royal Enfield motorcycles only, and being this a classic 500, I mean, even though this is like some of the people would say it's heavy or something, but I mean the torque and everything just makes it very pleasant to ride in the city. The next pro is, so basically this motorcycle belongs to my good friend Prajot, and he was actually going to Mahakumbh, so he lent me his motorcycle for a week. So I'm reviewing this motorcycle, and I had confirmed with him once कि याने mileage वगैरह कैसा है ये बाइक का. And trust me, he said he gets around 25 to 30 kilometers per liter, which is not bad. I mean, this is a 500cc motorcycle, we have to remember that, but that's just crazy that it gives around 25 to 30. And definitely he maintains the motorcycle very good. I mean, I can still feel the torque and the engine and the gearbox responding very well, even being even though the motorcycle is was bought from him in 2018, which is crazy good. Another pro for this motorcycle is definitely going to be the options of customizations you can do on this motorcycle is insane. I mean, आप कोई भी मोटरसाइकिल वेबसाइट्स पे चले जाओ, आपको कुछ नहीं तो भी रॉयल एनफील्ड के तो यानी आपको एक्सेसरीज मिल ही जाएंगे फ्रॉम बिग वेबसाइट्स लाइक Amazon and everywhere. I mean, the customization options are endless on this, which makes it a huge pro for it. Like, if you like to go for a tour, then definitely you have so many options, so many tank bags, and so many customizations that you can do, which will make your journey much more smoother. So definitely that will come under the pro. But वही है कि जहाँ पे प्रोज है वहाँ पे कॉन्स भी है ये मोटरसाइकिल के. So yes, the first con is going to be the vibrations. I mean, I'm not sure whether you can see it or not, but the mirrors are shaking like crazy. I mean, vibrations definitely Royal Enfield का एक part है ही, but being, I mean, अगर गाड़ियों वाइब्रेशन इतने ज़्यादा रहे तो that just makes a few things more difficult. Like, if you want to see someone in your rear view mirror, like I am trying to right now, there is a car speeding up, so definitely it just becomes very blurry to see clearly who is behind you. And during day, actually that is a huge con. The second con that I can think of is the engine refinement. The engine refinement is not there. I mean, I have ridden the Royal Enfield Meteor and then Royal Enfield Gorilla 450, all the new generation ones. 100%, I mean, the engine refinement is not there since this was launched back in 2018. I would say it is a very good motorcycle, but that makes it a con, that the engine refinement is something that most of the new riders find comfort in. I personally like the way the engine is built on this one. I just feel and like the way how torquey this motor is. But definitely कुछ लोगों के लिए ये con भी रहेगा. Next con is definitely going to be the service cost. Yes. Well, maintaining one of these classic 500s, it's not cheap. I have asked my friend. I mean, even the basic service costs are like upwards of 3 to 5,000, and you have to get the silencer powder coated, since this is a stealth black one, so this comes with a black silencer, and it kind of loses the powder coating quite often and quite soon, so that costs around 2500 rupees to get it powder coated each time when it happens. राइट साइड में हमारे है दीक्षा भूमि, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. So the next con is, yeah, the service costs are high. Maintaining these are not easy. But well, arguably, I mean, definitely, if you are going to buy this motorcycle, you will do your research how much the service cost is going to be, and the rest of the cost are going to be. So do your research well. There are plenty of other videos on YouTube which you can watch to see how much the service cost is, how much the first service costs, and everything. Sorry, not the first service cost, but in general, what are the service costs? How much the engine oil costs? How much the oil filter costs, and the air filter, the basic parts. And then there are, since this is a 2018 model, then you also have to consider a few things like chain sprocket, and then the tires. How much do they cost? Just do your research well before buying these, because these are definitely not cheap to maintain. So the next con is going to be the bike's overall weight. Even though a few of you might disagree, but yeah, the weight of this motorcycle, it is it might be intimidating for a few new riders, but definitely if you are used to riding this motorcycle, then the weight is not your concern. Well, I say weight because, well, when you are maneuvering through traffic at low speeds, for example at 10, 20 maybe, well, 20 is also like a decent speed, but around 10 kilometers per hour, you can feel the weight of the motorcycle on your legs, and you just hope to God that you don't rely on one of your legs to support this heavy motorcycle. So yeah, I'll just stop at the light. But yeah, in general, yes, it is a heavy motorcycle. Oof. I mean, the engine is definitely very powerful. I mean, you can definitely feel. Currently, I was doing around 70, but yes, there is one another big con that I feel like the braking could have been better on this motorcycle. But since this was launched back in 2018, I'll just talk about the brakes, and they are not up to the par. ब्रेकिंग उतना अच्छा भी नहीं है. अब मेन प्रॉब्लम वही है क्या ना, इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग एट अराउंड 80 and if someone appears in front of you somehow, and if you are planning to brake, then I'm 100% sure that there is no chance that it will stop there immediately. So you have to be very careful when you ride this motorcycle. You just have to be very cautious on the road, but also you can feel the motorcycle through corners and everything. It just feels amazing, but the braking is not there. Well, me personally, I use engine braking a lot, so for me, I feel like I can stop it, but yeah, I wouldn't challenge myself to do so, because this is a heavy motorcycle. Hence, yeah, it will take some time to brake. And one more thing, I'm not sure if I've said this or not, but if you are planning to buy this bike in 2025, well, I would say definitely go for it. This is one, I mean, you need to experience this. Well, there is no other way to like convince you to buy this motorcycle, but this right here is a great motorcycle which you should definitely experience once in your life. इतना ज़्यादा अंधेरा है भाई यहाँ पे. Just listen to the sound, boy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Woo-hoo-hoo. One more pull. Yep, these are the kids जो इससे पहले मैं आपको बोला था जो गंदा ओवरटेक किए थे. Same Innova, almost 30-40 minutes. These are the same kids who were like overtaking like crazy. They were like almost on that line, which just makes it very dangerous for everyone who is traveling at in night, because there are not a lot of people who could help just in case if these kids like hit someone on the road. Plus जो गाड़ी वो चला रहे हैं, that is a taxi number which has a yellow number plate, so that just makes things even worse. I will have to like watch that video back just to know if this was the same car or not. But almost an half an hour 45 minutes बाद भी आने अगर वो इनोवा यही एरिया में है, then definitely I could feel कि इनोवा तो थी वो, but यही वाली थी नहीं है वो नहीं मालूम. I'll just watch that video back and then get to know that. Yeah. So yes, well, that was my review of the Royal Enfield Classic 500 2018 Stealth Black Edition. I hope you guys liked this video. Do drop a like if you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for showing so much love to my channel. We have reached 65 subscribers by this video is out. And yes, well, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care. Ride safe. Bye.